So over here, you can see that I have a video layer and an audio layer. And if I were to go around and play this, you do hear out the audio and you can see the audio volume level right here. But if you want to view out more details, then what you can do is you can go around onto the view section and then go to scopes, and here you can see audio spectrum is an option. So once you do that, you got a separate spectrum, as you can see, and you can drag this and keep it anywhere you want over here as well. So here you can see that now I have an audio spectrum over here, and if I were to press the play button, you can view out visually on how the audio wave is. You can see that these are the low bands and these are the high bands, and you can see that the middle bands is mostly like active in this audio wave file by playing this out. So another thing that you can do is you can view out video waveforms as well. So to do that, you can go around onto the view, onto scopes right here, and let's focus on the video RGB waveform right here. So once you do that, you can see the video RGB waveform right here, just like this. And now this actually denotes how much of like red color is used on the left part and blue color is used on the left part and on going on to the right. So here you can see that like there's more like red, green and blue on the higher part right here, and then more like red, green, blue over here. So if I were to play this, you can see that the information is scattered from left to right. So this is the amount of red, green and blue spectrums from left to right here. And you can also go around over here onto the scopes, and instead of RGB waveform, you can go for RGB parade right here, which actually divides out the waveform which has been combined over here onto separate combination right here. So here you can see that this is more like a darker color of red, green and blue. So this is darker, as you can see. So the darker areas covered up on the video is on the bottom right here, and what happens is that the brighter parts of the video are covered up on the top right here. So that is how you can work around with audio spectrum and view out the video like RGB waveform and RGB parade in a combination or separate waveforms, as you can see right here. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.